In today's video, I'm going to answer a common question. Does Mozilla Firefox support both Manifest v2 and Manifest v3? If you're an extension user, a developer, or just trying to understand why your favorite add-ons still work in Firefox, this is exactly what you need to know. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software explainers and browser tutorials. Now, let's get straight to the short answer. Yes, Firefox currently supports both Manifest v2 and Manifest v3 extensions. That means if you're using an extension built on Manifest v2, it can still work in Firefox. And if you're a developer building with Manifest v3, Firefox also supports that newer standard. So unlike some other browsers that are pushing developers toward one specific path, Firefox is taking a more flexible approach. Let's break that down a little more clearly. Manifest v2 is the older extension platform. A lot of popular browser add-ons were built using it, especially tools like ad blockers, password helpers, productivity extensions, and privacy-focused add-ons. For years, Manifest v2 was the standard, and many extension creators designed their tools around it. Now, in the broader browser world, Google Chrome has been moving away from Manifest v2 and toward Manifest v3. That shift has created a lot of confusion for users who rely on older extensions because some add-ons may stop working or may need to be rewritten. Firefox, however, has chosen a different route. Mozilla has added support for Manifest v3 so developers can build newer extensions that are more compatible across browsers. At the same time, Mozilla continues to support Manifest v2 as well. That means existing extensions do not have to disappear overnight, and developers are not forced to abandon everything they already built. This is especially important if you use extensions that you depend on every single day. If you have an older extension that still works well, Firefox support for Manifest v2 helps preserve that experience. And if you're creating extensions for the future, Manifest v3 support gives you a modern framework to work with. So, in practical terms, Firefox is giving users and the developers more breathing room. Here's the easiest way to think about it. Manifest v2 is the old system that still works, and Manifest v3 is the newer system that Firefox also supports. In other words, Firefox is not forcing an immediate switch that breaks everything. Instead, it allows both versions to coexist for now. If you're a regular user, that means your extension compatibility in Firefox may be more stable than you expect. If you're a developer, that means you should still pay attention to best practices and plan for Manifest v3. But you don't need to panic about losing Manifest v2 support in Firefox right away. Also, if you're deciding which browser to use for your extensions, this is one reason some users prefer Firefox. Its support for both versions makes it more forgiving during the transition period, especially if you rely on older add-ons that haven't been updated yet. Of course, extension support can change over time, so if you're using a critical add-on, it's always a good idea to check the latest documentation from Mozilla and the extension developer. That way you can stay updated on compatibility, security changes, and any future policy updates. So to summarize, yes, Firefox supports both Manifest v2 and Manifest v3. Manifest v2 is still supported for existing extensions, while Manifest v3 is available for newer development. That gives Firefox users and developers more flexibility during the extension transition. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech answers and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.